I'll show you today how to fix an iPhone 15 Pro if the eSIM is not working. So let's get started. First, we'll remove the screws and take out the logic board. As you can see, water has entered the logic board and caused some fungus. Most likely, there's an issue with the board's signal points. So, we'll clean the signal points and flash the software. Next, we'll remove the washers and place the board on the preheating station to separate the two layers. Now, we'll place the logic board in the holder and clean the solder points. After cleaning it properly, we'll apply some paste and re-ball the points using a soldering iron. Then we'll join the two layers together and reconnect it to the mobile. Now we'll flash the software on the iPhone 15 Pro. After flashing, we'll go to Settings to check if the eSIM option is enabled. And that's it. The eSIM problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.